Hi everyone, I'm Girly. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about makeup, beauty and skincare, especially if you have oily skin, combination skin, large pores, whitehead and blackheads problem. So today's video is going to be about this minimalist summer makeup look. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. So when it comes to summer, I just feeling like it's something that I've been living with because I am from Southeast Asia and the weather is like summer literally every day, like literally. It is so humid. The weather here is so humid, very humid that you cannot like tell. And we only have two seasons, which is rainy and summer. When rainy, it is still feel hot, and when it comes to summer, it is very hot, like really hot. The weather might be like around 30 or 35 Celsius, but the air, the humidity feels like 60, 100 something Celsius. And because I've been living in such a humid weather for so long, I will share some tips which is great for summer, like, cause you all with 4 seasons country having summer right now, and I've been having summer since I was born, yay! So if you want to know how I got this look and some tips during humid weather makeup, and if you have medium skin like me, just please keep watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay, so first we are starting off with sunscreen. My favorite sunscreen is Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen because it has matte velvety finish. It doesn't have white cast, it doesn't have greasy feeling. So it's suitable if you have a medium skin just like me and you want to enjoy summer without looking super white cast but still protected. It also a good primer because it has this a bit effect of blurring your pores. So if you have large pores just like me, you can try this out because this is actually very good and this is my favorite sunscreen ever. I'm going to use concealer. This is my complexion today, so in the summer, especially in a humid weather, you don't want too much full face cakey foundation makeup routine because it will feel too heavy, and somehow when it hits the sun and it met with humid weather, it will get cracky and it will be annoying on my face. I've tried those kind of makeup years ago and I don't like it. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to dot this only for my dark circles and some spot that I want to cover. I have this pimple here and I just want to dot it a little bit to cover it. Also, I'm currently having this redness around here. It's flaky and it's a bit itchy. It's maybe because of allergy or something, I'm not sure, but it's rough patch. It has a rough patch and it's flaky. I don't want to put anything on that, just I don't want to be making it worse. This is Innisfree No sebum mineral pack. This is a translucent powder. It's translucent. It has no tint at all. Alright, I'm going to do the rest of complexion later, but I'm going to do the eyebrows first. But I'm not gonna show it on the video because it will take so long. So I'm done with eyebrows. It's super minimal, not really blocking, because when it comes to summer you just want to go look around and looking natural, and I really prefer the kind of bushy brow. If you want to check the tutorial, you can go on the link in the description box. I will link it down. Check the description box. So next we are moving on to the eyes. I will go with my natural lips color, which is brown. You can use any kind of brown color. Here I'm using this Leslie palette. This is a palette from Korean beauty brand. It's called Leslie and it has quite great pigmentation. I also put it under my lash line because it's going to create such a smoky effect. And also I don't like to cover my dark circle too much, so I let it being brown and it looks smoky effect. Right, I'm taking something shimmery, so it looks a bit more cheerful and shimmery color. You can take any shimmery. I'm still on the same palette, literally here. Okay, so the tips is when it comes to the eyes, you don't want to be too much. You don't want to be too much sparkly. You don't want to be like too much color. So just make it just make it the same as your eyelid color and enhance it with some sparkle or shimmer. Next step is not really necessary, but if you have bare eyelashes just like me, you can tightline your lash line. Okay, it's not too much. I know that it's not too much, but it's there. I'm not really making it more frame or anything. I only put on my lash line, so I have very thin lashes and tight lining it helped me so much. Next, I'm going to do mascara. This is Missha The Style for the mascara. It's my favorite because it's not crumple your lashes, because when it comes to summer, if you use something that is crumple on your lashes, it feels like your lashes has some dirt. So I'm really not into mascara that crumpled on my lash. Now moving on to the blush, I like to use cream blush because cream blush looks way more natural and way more blended. Also, it's long lasting than the powder one, so I suggest you choose to use cream blush or liquid blush because it is way easier and match the humid weather during summer. This is Makeup Forever HD blush. I usually apply it using finger, but at this time I'm going to show you applying using brush. Now I'm moving on to the lips. You can choose something balmy or buttery. I'm using this Catrice Dewy-ful lips that I've recently reviewed on Instagram. This is actually conditioning lip butter with shea butter. It's not really like a lip gloss. It's not sticky. It's lightweight. It's not looking too much glossy. So it's perfect if you want to have that summer dewy lips. It will give addition of a dewy and wet look for your summer look, which is amazing because I'm currently loving that kind of look. And it won't make your lips chapped, which is something that we get a lot when it's summer. You know, chapped lips and flaky lips, it's not the best friend during summer, so get out. Next is this highlighter. Highlighter is important, okay? So you need a highlighter that gives you glow, like a wet glow instead of shimmer glow. This is the Colourpop A Smile and a Song. This is the Super Shock Cheer Pearlized. This is from Colourpop X Disney designer, and I love to pop this because it gives you that pearl finish look instead of that shimmer too much glow. So it will looks great, looks amazing when the sun hits you. And instead of having that glazed shimmer look, it will give you some wet TV kind of look. Popping it here too. You can see how subtle the glow, but still like you can hit the sun and looks boom. Don't forget the nose. See how it gives you wet pearl dewy look instead of shimmer too much blinding glow. Because yes, we love glow during summer, but make sure when it hits the sun, you will look more like a wet and natural instead of too much shimmer and okay, so that is all the look. You can definitely change the lipstick and follow your natural shape or natural color, your favorite color, but I would go with this type of look because I love the lip. I love these lips, and my experience on living in humid weather, they're just not best friend with too much cakey and heavy makeup during summer, because it will just make your skin, your makeup looking worse. So like if you enjoyed this look, and don't forget to subscribe because I have more content coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.